Maheshwari, Department of Computer Science, Trinity College Parliament, Namakkal. I hope this video easy to understand the beginners of programming language techniques. First, C language overview. This language developed by Dennis Ritchie. It is a structured programming language, that is, it contains the specified format to return the coding. And then it has so many functions, that is, the large coding is split into breaking a small modules, that is called function. It do the specific task, and then it has a easy readability for command statement. It is used to understand the coding easily. Then program structure. A sample C program, it has #include stdio.h. It indicated the standard input and output header file with the tags greater than less than tags. And then int main, it represents the main function. This type is integer. And then the starting of the coding, it will begin with the open curly braces and then closed curly braces. Among the executable codings, it will be end with a semicolon. What is mean by header files? The header files included the standard read and write statement process coding. These are the pre-compiled files, and then the function, the header file extension is .h, that is math.h, ponyo.h. C source coding extension is .c. What is meaning of main function? It will be indicated the entry point, that is the starting point of the coding. From main function, it will follow as per the programming choice. How to write the C program? #include stdio.h, and then main function, this type is integer, and then we start the opening braces. It will contain the printf statement, that is the display statement. Our display coding is hello or anything, welcome to C language, and then the return type is 0, and then close the curly braces. How to run a C program? We type the C coding and then save it for the specific extension filename.c, and then compile the program. We will make some correction errors in the coding and then run the program. Control F9 for shortcut of the running process, and then we get the output. And then we move to command statement in C. It is already we know about the command statement, easy to readable for the coding, understand for the coding. The types of command statement, a single line command, it is used, and then a single coding, and then // termination of command is pressing the enter key. Then multi-line command statement, it will be make /*, then readable coding, and then */. Then the data types among in C. Primary data type, aggregative data types, user-defined data types. For 3 types of data are common. The primary data type included in integer, float, double, and character. The aggregate type is arrays and structures. Then variables. The variables is a changing process of the program. How to declare the variable? That is the data type and variable name. For example, the data type is the integer, the variable name is a. And then how to define? That means the definition, variable name, then value, that is a equal to 10. And then usage of the variable, a equal to a plus 1. Already the value in a is 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Variable name rules. The variables in C language, variable name contains some regulation of rules. The variable name should not be a reserved word. We not used the reserved word, that is if, while, that is the reserved words of C language. It should start with the letter, with it included the underscore symbol. It can contain letters, numbers or underscore, that is A1. No other special characters are not allowed. For example, star A, it's not allowed, it may make some errors. Variable names are case sensitive, that is case capital letter or small letter in the difference of case sensitive. Further, we move to input and output statement of C language. The input statement is used to read the data, that is we used the scanf statement. The syntax is control string ampersand A. The output statement is printf, that is control string, the value is A. It is used to print the value